Welcome to the world of the Singing Chef. We gon' make you sing and you taste buds red. From the Barrow River, the East Coast, my beast to the eastbound shore to Georgetown City. I can win you what I want to the hinterlands from the...
Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a pumpkin soup, and this is very immune boosting, right? You got your garlic, your ginger, turmeric, mango, which we're gonna add to it, and we got pumpkin, and all we're gonna cook it in is we're gonna cook it in coconut milk, and it will make the most wonderful soup. First is we can just pour some oil just to barely cover the surface, and then we're gonna put the pumpkin in straight away. Right? Look how wonderful that looks. And then basically all you do is you put the rest of the stuff in. That's the turmeric, that's the ginger. You gotta put a lot of ginger, right? Pumpkin loves ginger and garlic. And this is sort of food that you can do to boost your immune system and also have something really delicious to eat. A little bit, like just cooking a little bit. You see this in here? What I like to do is I like to put everything into what we call virgin coconut oil. I'm telling you, just cooking in this coconut oil is probably one of the best things that you can do. And if you come in close, look how nice that looks, almost like a paste, right? This is about the point where we're gonna add the coconut milk. Put the coconut milk in there. Look how wonderful that looks. Oh my gosh. I want to eat that already, but it's not ready. And all we have to do is let this boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then you will have your soup. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is add like a teaspoon of salt. There you go. Boom. And that's it. You got a lovely pumpkin that's cooked in coconut milk, garlic, ginger, and you just let this thing just go off. And once it starts boiling down, everything will soften up, and then you will have a lovely soup. There we have it. So let us just turn this off. Turn off the fire first. And that's our soup, our delicious soup, right? Pumpkin with coconut, with garlic, with ginger and turmeric. Oh my gosh, this speaks heaven to all your immune system and everything like that, right? Now, you could eat it just like that. But some of you might have this thing. It's like a little thing we got with, you know, in professional kitchens and even home kitchens, people have this kind of stuff. We're just gonna whiz it up because I just want a certain type of consistency. Oh look, but I don't want to over whiz it, right? I'm gonna leave some chunks in there because I like chunks in soup. And it takes on that beautiful color. Okay, no, let us serve this thing out because I am dying to taste this. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty, isn't it? Look at that. See? Look how lovely this thing looks. We'll garnish it because remember people eat with their eyes, so we're gonna do a little garnish. It's very nice. And then put a little bit of sour cream on this baby. And there you have it. Guyanese pumpkin soup. Beautiful. Okay, let's taste this baby. Oh my gosh. You're getting the ginger, the pumpkin coming through, you know. And the thing is, pumpkin in this country is like a cake, you know. It's so sweet. It is beautiful. And with that sour cream, oh my gosh, please try this at home. Pumpkin soup. Very, very incredibly good for you and your children.
Welcome to the world of the Singing Chef. We gon' make you sing and you taste buds red. From the Barrow River, the East Coast, my beast to the eastbound shore to Georgetown City. I can win you what I want.